everyone, Blake here with Scorpion Window Film. Today we're going to show you how to get our Scorpion Scan software app connected to the Graphtec FC9000 here. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is plug our Ethernet cable into the LAN port here, and then we're going to pull the IP address settings from the plotter. We got this plugged in here. We're going to come over and just pull up the information. We're going to hit Menu, Interface, which is the up arrow, then just scroll down. We want to find the LAN. Now we can see our IP address information. We're going to want to write down the IP address so that we can connect it to the scan software momentarily. What we're going to do now that we got our IP address off the Graphtec here is pull up the scan app and start working our way through the process. For this, we're going to do, let's do a 2024 Cadillac Escalade. You can see all the templates we have available for those Escalades here. Let's select the front roll-ups. Keep working our way through the process. What we've got loaded on here is a carbon 15% 36-inch roll. Our cutting width on the Graphtec for this roll is 34.378. 100-foot roll of carbon, around $175. So our cost on those two fronts is $8.66. Hit complete. What we're going to do now is connect our plotter to the scan app with that IP address that we wrote down earlier. We're just going to punch that in here. On the port, we want to do 9100. Set up. Now it says we are connected. Now we're going to send those patterns directly to the plotter. As you can see here, we're cutting the patterns on that Escalade now. Getting the Scorpion Scan app connected to your Graphtec FC9000 is that simple, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-483-9087. And remember, Scorpion, protect what's yours.